Start recording. So we're recording. You first in the quest.
Don't accept this quest.
Yeah.
I'm just checking, make sure it doesn't say the quest. Okay.
So
Posting
that's,
the actual
this
quest.
is a bit. Yep. This is a bit of thingy because you're not here because you're a bitch. This is something we started because I was like, what games can I play with an arcade stick? So like, what arcade games it started with? So like, what games could I play? Like Streets of Rage I could play, all that. And then I started playing Sonic Mania, and then decided. But I don't know who actually said it, but someone said Monster Hunter. Was it you, Adam?
I think so.
It was either Adam or Page. Don't know fully, but Adam or Page said Monster Hunter. So I decided that's what we're gonna do. In the Discord, there is currently a thread that currently says Bibber's Esport Contest.
Yes. I am narrating Bibber's exploits during this.
Is the first that we've done 3 so far. We've done Great Jagras just to see if this actually fucking worked, where this actually picked it up. It did. We then did Anjanath to step it up, and then we did high rank Pookie Pookie. The first 2 were low rank. Pookie Pookie was high rank. And
yes,
I did that in 8 minutes 35 with a fight stick. And whatever this quest is, I'm going to close my eyes so Atom can guide me through. Well, once I get to the actual singing. There's only one thing that I need to press this keyboard for. And that is to track the monster playing like old school Monster Hunter. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not playing Monster Hunter World. I'm playing old school Monster Hunter. Okay, so available quests. I've got my eyes closed.
Okay, press A, or whatever your A is, again.
Yep.
Keep going. Just, yep, again. Accept. Sending out the joiner quest. Alright, quest is accepted. Now you just gotta go on standby.
Okay, I just need to... Yep.
Yeah,
that.
Just don't look at that.
Standby. Oh, I'm not looking. I'm gonna look at my phone.
Okay. Yeah, this one is, it's a 1-star above Puke, but honestly, I don't know if...
I think I have an idea of who it is. I vaguely know the monsters above the 1-star of high... Diablos.
Yeah, shit, you got it immediately. It was either gonna be this or Black Diablos, and I thought this was probably a little nicer than Black Diablos.
Yeah, this would have been nicer than Black Diablos. Black Diablos is a bit faster and shit. But yeah, this is me genuinely playing Monster Hunter with a fucking fight stick. So yeah, I can control this. I'm moving around, can control my camera kind of, but we don't really use this all that much for it, like fully. This is just while I'm like going around. Other than that, I'll use Q as the like lock-on mechanic here to lock on while I'm fighting. It's basically, this is working like old school Monster Hunter. We've got me being able to open up, like actually fight. This is my like, and I've got helm splitters off of this. I'm a fucking gamer.
Yeah, you got several tail cuts off of it too now.
Yeah, several tail cuts. No one can say I'm a bad gamer anymore because I've played Monster Hunter with a fucking fight stick. I'm a god.
Yeah, you've earned your way now.
I've earned my gamer status. I can also bring up my actual fucking menu of like this and go, oh yeah, I need to sharpen, I need to thingy. Like I've got all this. To be fair, what I could do is... Oh, I've got Glider Mantle on right now, don't I? Yeah, so that's not going to help. Oh, no, I do still have Temporal Mantle on. That's good. But I'll still be able to use my fucking mantles.
Yeah.
Part of the fucking game.
The hard part is fucking selecting them for you.
Yeah, because it's, I have to, like... Because I have to press LB, which is all the way over here. And then X and B, which are these two here. Which you'll be able to see in the video when you actually watch it.
I'm just stalking this Diablos.
Yeah.
It has no idea what's coming for him.
Yeah, it doesn't know that the most handicapped gamer in all of history is coming for them. Well, that's actually a lie. There's quite a lot of handicapped
There
gamers,
are probably a couple more.
Yeah, there's a whole fucking great charity for that, to be fair.
Yes, there is.
Special effect is amazing. But yeah, this is genuinely me playing Monster Hunter with a fight stick. Like, I can even do all like this shit. I can go, oh, I want to, like, go get a resource. I can get a resource. I believe I could genuinely play this game start to finish with it working quite well. Like, it's not 100%.
That would be an amazing stream idea, actually.
Yeah, I might actually do it, to be fair.
That would be amazing. And funny. Honestly,
Okay.
if you did that, you could get yourself, like, a little fucking pin as a reward. Or, like, a little... Or fucking monster the crown or something. I don't know. We need to find some kind of reward for you.
Yeah. So I'm genuinely thinking of... Once I'm done with, like, actual Monster Hunter World and, like, beat it with this character, restarting and playing with... Did it just go upwards? Oh, you fucking
It did,
bitch.
yes.
So yeah, so like, the only thing I have to use this with is Q because I genuinely can't change the controller keybinds because this is what this is classing it as, a controller. It's not like these can be like macroed unless the game actually allows you to set controller keybinds, which this one doesn't, which is sad. Hopefully Monster Hunter Wilds.
The first playthrough of Wilds is with a fucking...
to be fair, no. I actually want to play Wilds when it first comes out. I'm going the right... No, am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way.
Yeah, you're going the right way, yeah.
Buddy.
You gotta come up here. Oh, yeah, you're right behind me.
So this is my attempt of Diablos. So yeah, if I then do that... with a fight stick. Which I did Pookie Pookie in 8 minutes 35. Which Pookie Pookie is like significantly a lot easier. Like I have got the crutch of the actual Master Rank armor. But I would say I am at least handicapped enough that I can't actually control things fluidly. Also, sometimes get distracted by atoms with atoms just here to...
I'm just here to observe. There's a bear up on its way. So you might get a turf war. You might be lucky, yeah.
Oh yeah, these two have a turf war, don't they? Because Baras gets fucking demolished.
They do, yes. Yeah, but it'll help distract.
So I am. If I put my Tempora Mantle on. Yeah, so I've got a tail cut of both the Anjanath and the Pookie, so I am able to do tail cuts. Like I can do them. I'm gaming. I'm fully fucking gaming. I'm gaming. I'm making content here. And this isn't even on a fucking actual stream. Which is wild. I've got like the best fucking stream content thing ever. Of like going through a game that's not meant to be played on a fight stick or an arcade stick. And actually genuinely doing it on an arcade stick. Like, I can get helm splitters off as well. I'm able to get helm splitters off. Like, I'm not, like, locked off of any of my shit. Other than... oh, I cannot control this fucking camera. So I have to play old school Monster Hunter. Play Monster Hunter Generations, baby. Just playing a mod for Monster Generations. It's just a really good looking mod. That's all this is. Oh shit, man. Headphones got low battery. Good job, it's fucking running.
Oh, yeah.
Let me put in my other headphone. Because I only do one or the other. They've actually brought out the new, the updated everyday earphones for Recon, which is cool. I need to think about getting them.
Yeah, it's definitely something to consider. Though, you know, you do also need a CPU, especially if you're gonna play Wilds.
Wait, it's got crossplay.
Oh yeah, you can play it on PS5.
I can play it on PS5. I'm not locked off of Wilds, which is really good. Like, at least playing with you lot, I'm not locked up for Wilds. Because PS5 can, like, I'll play it through my capture card anyway, so don't need to join a fucking PS5, like, PSM, like, Discord call. Thank fuck. Because as much as it's a great...
now.
PS5 does have Discord calls. As much as it's great that it has it, I have the better version of just playing from my fucking capture card.
Yeah. Yeah.
The only thing I really need my PC for with Wilds is joining the Discord well. And if I want to stream it, but I don't know. I don't know if I actually want to stream Wilds. I might want it to be just playing. Because I'm doing that with Final Fantasy. Final Fantasy, I'm not streaming that.
Yeah, you actually want to focus on having fun.
Yeah, with Like a Dragon, I've, like, been very limited on what I can, like, me playing it because I stream it, and I don't want to, like, stream it every single day. Because that will burn me the ever-living shit out.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know it got stuck in there.
Yeah, I didn't either. That's cool.
God damn, how did you miss that? How did you dodge that? Oh.
Okay, no, that's fine. Oh, shit. LB. B. Mega potion. Okay, coming back.
Maybe next time we can do this Mio Page take like a medic role where we just have wide range and like recovery stuff.
Yeah, like that's what you lot are, just medics.
Yeah, we're field medics. We don't fight, we just help.
Fuck. Run again.
I keep seeing people like manage to stagger it out of its dig, but I don't know how they do it.
I don't think we have Sonic pods in this game.
No, we do. We have like Screecher pods.
Oh, that's how.
Is that?
Yeah, that's how.
Oh, okay.
Same way you get Cephadrome and Nibblesnarf out.
Well, I haven't fought those two, but it's useful to know that they have a use, because I was wondering what the fuck they were used for.
Yeah, they're for characters that go underneath.
It would be so fucking helpful. Diablos always fucks me with that.
Yeah. With the whole this being a surprise, that is definitely like something I would have brought if I knew, but.
Yeah.
But since this is a no, I also need to do that. Oh no, this might be. Oh no, they're going for you.
Oh. I'm hiding in a bush. I think they're going for Fizz.
Time to mount! Oh.
What the fuck is it going for?
It's going for me now. Genuinely is going for me. Shit. Yeah, this one is definitely like a lot more difficult for it. Like, heavily relying on its charges.
Yeah.
Oh, you bitch!
But to be fair, you dodged quite a few of those charges.
Okay, I need to dodge this. Fuck you, dick. My bones are broken. My bones are broken. Oh, well, there now.
Oh. You're on low health, Dibber.
Okay. Okay. No, 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 no. No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Pressed the wrong thing. I rolled when I wanted to run. Yeah, fuck it. dickhead. Temple mantle is good to use. Back this way, I believe. No, it wasn't. Oh, you bitch! Oh wait, no! I did it on the Castodon. Good, it's good. No, I took the mantle off!
No.
Oh, it's going again.
This one really does not want to fight you, huh?
Yeah, no,
Looks
it's
like
too scared.
it's going back to its home again. But it's not limping, I don't think.
Yeah, no, it's not.
This one's a lot
Don't
more
mind the
durable
camera angle.
too, so explains why you haven't
better
got
for me to run.
many like
Pardon?
pop breaks or anything. You haven't got many pop breaks this time because it's a lot more durable of a bitch.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not underneath this time. It's on top.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Look at your screen just sliding down. Yeah, no, it's on top this time. Oh fuck, there's nowhere for me to hide.
Queue.
Looks like it's ready in the charge.
What do I got to bring? Did I forget to bring? No, I don't know. I don't care. Come on, lock onto it. There we go. Ooh.
Is that a pop break? This is some kind of material, is that?
No, it's because it hit its head in the wall.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
Oh, you bitch. Ball break.
Ooh, there we go.
I don't know why she broke. I think it might have been flame. No.
Hard to tell.
What broke?
Shoulder, maybe?
Maybe.
It wasn't one of its horns.
Nah. The horns are noticeable.
Yeah, exactly.
Heal up. Have some more than steak.
A rough hit.
It's like flying for quite a while. Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck. No. Get distracted, get distracted. Good, good. Ah!
Oh, Diablo's limping?
I don't think so, it shouldn't be. Motherfucker! fucking water bike. No berry. And I also need to...
Should have kept Gilly Mantle on. Fuck.
There we go. That's what we needed. More stamina.
Is that a limp? I can't tell. It looks like it might be like... Maybe you broke one of its legs.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Oh, the barrel's got me a knockdown. That's good. So what we need to do is now...
Where is it going?
Down.
It's gone down.
Do I actually have anything that would... No, I don't have anything like that on. Okay, that's fine.
I don't think I have anything that have you either. I have flash pods, so I can use those if you want me to. But there is.
Nah, it's okay. It was more just if I had ancient potion.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know.
I'll make a spectator build because I got like 500 of them. Ooh. Ow!
I think Diablos found your hiding spot.
Don't worry about it. It just got a lucky hit on me. It got another lucky hit. There we go.
Helm splitter, baby!
Ooh. Oh?
You ain't going fucking nowhere. Horn break!
Ooh. That was a horn.
And what's good is with high rank Diablos, even master rank, yeah, kind of naff again it.
Yeah.
But they still got me low at times. That's a limp. That's a limp. I'm gonna be fucking high rank Diablos.
You haven't even gone down once. You came close like twice, I think, but you haven't even gone down.
Speaking of that, let's get that.
I almost went down. I was not paying attention to my health. Oh?
So... Tail cut! And the helm split. Oh, he hit me out my helm split. But I got tail cut.
Yeah? Fucking impressive. Don't attack me, buddy. I'm just a spectator.
You let this fucking guy on a fight stick bully me. Why are you doing this? Oh, did your little tail go?
I'm the guy with a fucking phone recording it.
World star! World star! Oh no, that one fucked up. I didn't see the killer. Okay. I'm fucking up there. It's fine. Oh no. I'm good. My bones are broken. My bones be broken. No, fuck you. Let's go back into its home. Is that because you're in there?
I think it might be.
Oh yeah, don't you? That's fine. Fuck, got me. I thought I dodged that well. And the funny thing is, this is me and my Palico doing it on the health of the two-person team.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's even more impressive. There it is! It's down!
So the high-rank Diablos with a fight stick. My journey to kill a fucking master rank is getting there. I will kill a master rank with a fight stick. I will make sure of it. Even if it's not on the first try one. I will train and train. If it is first try, I'm a god amongst gamers.
Okay, you need to decide what's your master rank goal. What monster? Do you want it to be an Elder? Or do you want it to be just a normal one?
I'm gonna say Elder.
Won't go anything like... You want an Elder? Okay.
Yeah, I want an Elder. Shara Ishvalda.
You want to go against Shara Ishvalda with a... Fuck it, okay.
That's my Elder goal. Because that's a big-ass monster, it's got 2 phasers, it's got a lot of room for error of me fucking up. Shara Ishvalda. That's gonna be the one I kill.
Fucking anime.
Yep, I will do this. So yeah, that's... You know what? I'm gonna do it. So that one was 24 minutes. A lot more than high rank Pookie,
but to be fair, it's a much stronger opponent.
It's a much stronger opponent. That even in Master Rank Gear, I almost went down 3 times. I think my weapon isn't fully Master Rank? I don't know. What rarity is Master Rank?
Oh, fuck, like, I have no fucking clue. Like 8, 9, 10, 11?
I think my weapon is a rarity 7. I think the weapon that I'm using is a rarity 7 right now. Let me check.
Yeah, you should be able to go check right now.
Oh, rarity 9, sorry. No, it is a Master Rank one, but I think it's the basic bone.
Grand Kupash. Yeah.
But yeah, this is...
Fucking hell.
Amazing.
Shara Ishvalda.
I'm striving for Shara. I'm striving for Shara Ishvalda.
I don't even know what the fuck we can do for you if you do beat it.
I don't either. Like, I honestly don't know what a reward for beating Shara Ishvalda on a fight stick. But yeah, let me end this stream.